How guys, today's lesson, how can I use digital multimeter? It is very important time for us. I will show you how can I use digital multimeter. It is very easy to use digital multimeter. First we need to know part of digital multimeter. So I want to show you digital multimeter. This is display. This is digital multimeter display, large display. Hold button. It used for holding. And here is transistor checker, NPN and PNP transistor checker. Transistor probe, ECBE. This is selector knob. Selector knob is very important subject for any multimeter, digital or analog multimeter. Multimeter probe hole. Now I want to talk you about selector knob. Selector knob is very important. Here are some range or scale. Ohm range of HFE. This is for transistor checking. Volt DC range, AC range, AC volt, farad range, ampere range, AC ampere, DC ampere range, and diode checker, ohm checker. Okay. If I want to check resistor, we need to select ohm range by this cable. Okay, we will need to check resistor. Then this range only for diode checking. Next range, it is DC milliampere, ampere. The next AC ampere checking. Microfarad or farad, capacitor checking. This is volt range for high voltage, AC voltage, 715 volt. AC volt range, maximum 1000 volt, high voltage. High voltage means high. HV, high voltage, decibel. It's for checking transistor checker. I will show you how can I transistor check. Okay, yeah, transistor checking. Yes, it's code NPN transistor. So guys, no more today. Please subscribe more video. Thanks to watch. Bye bye.